Internet Marketing: The Maintenance Guide. Increase your profitability through effective internet marketing strategy. Making real money on the web requires a sound knowledge of internet marketing in order to implement an effective plan that will increase incoming cash flow while minimizing expenses. Wouldn't you like to turn your ideas about making money on the internet into a successful business that provides you with a reliable source of perpetual cash? Well, we would love to show you exactly how you can do this with our valuable ebook, Internet Marketing: The Maintenance Guide. There is a wrong way to market on the internet that can quickly cause you to go broke and result in failure. Yet, there is also a correct way to market on the web that will result in a steady increase of cash flow through effective marketing strategy. Let us provide you with the info you will need to understand the difference and make the right informed decisions so that your venture is a success rather than a failure. We are ready to provide you with an internet marketing guidebook that will enable you to survive and thrive in a highly competitive online marketplace and secure a high percentage of web market share. Did you know that Forrester Research has predicted that by 2016, more than half of the dollars spent on retail sales in the United States will have been influenced by the internet? Wouldn't you like to get a high percentage of that cash for your products or services? We are going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to accomplish that objective through strategic internet marketing techniques. But Internet Marketing: The Maintenance Guide is much more than just a book of basic information. It's not only packed full of valuable knowledge that will be the key to your success, but will provide you with insight and how-to info that you will need to effectively develop your business and rock the web with your brand. Here is some of the valuable information you will discover by reading Internet Marketing: The Maintenance Guide. Avoiding the error of staring the wrong way. Correctly perceiving your venture as a business. Clearly identifying your goals and objectives. Establishing an effective plan for success. Ramping up your operations for profitability. Getting the appropriate help you need. Retaining much of your cash with free tools and resources. And much, much more. Internet Marketing: The Maintenance Guide is a valuable resource for discovering how to plan, implement, and ramp up your marketing strategy.